Willie Nelson drops out of performance due to health concerns. Willie Nelson recently caused alarm when he cancelled a gig at a music festival due to illness. The 91-year-old iconic musician and his crew announced the huge news via Instagram. The country artist stated that he will not perform during the first weekend of the Outlaw Music Festival owing to a doctor's severe restrictions. Furthermore, he is expected to be replaced by his son, Lukas Nelson, and the Nelson Band. Nelson issued an official statement saying, "We regret to inform you that Willie Nelson is not feeling well and, per doctor's orders, has been advised to rest for the next 4 days. He is expected to recuperate quickly and join the Outlaw Music Festival tour next week." Meanwhile, Lukas Nelson and the family band, along with a few guests, will play a special concert featuring Willie's classics and other tunes. Fans couldn't get over the stunning news and expressed their concern for the revered icon. A user wrote, "Rest up, Willie. The world still needs you." During his absence from the festival's first several acts, Bob Dylan, Robert Plant, and Alison Krauss will MC respect performances.